Hey everyone, welcome back to GM Details and a happy new year to all of you. I've got a real disaster to clean up here and I'm only going to use one product due to time restraints. Why is it in such a state?
Storm Arwen is hitting the UK on Friday night and it's prompted a rare Met Office red warning for the strength of the winds across the coastal strip of eastern Scotland and northeast England.
So this is the devastation left by Storm Arwen. Now where was I going? Destination Chillingham, Britain's most haunted castle. So we got back home around 2 PM and I leave for work around 5 PM, so the race was on to give it a clean. I don't have time for a full wash, so I'm just going to give it a quick rinse down, get rid of all the loose dirt and debris that's just been deposited on the surface, so that shouldn't take too long before it's left to dwell in a blanket of lovely snow foam. I'll reveal what snow foam was used a little bit later on, but look how effortlessly, just with a pressure rinse, the dirt is coming off, and that's mainly thanks to the Monster Shine ceramic wax that's really underneath it. It's not showing any sort of beading or sheeting there at the moment because I feel the wax is actually clogged up at the moment, but I'm really just wanting all of this gunk to be off the car to look a little bit more presentable. The snow foam for the task is Garage Therapy ONE SNOWFOAM, unsurprisingly. Regular subscribers to the channel will already know that I was involved a little bit of the pre-sale development of the snow foam, and this is the final retail version of it. It's really the first time I've used this particular bottle of snow foam, and I'm also using it in my new MTM PF22 foam cannon, very first time. It is a little bit thick at the moment. I haven't really got to turn the dials down. It's not the time to be playing about with things. I really just need to get a coat of the snow foam on, get it rinsed off after it's been dwelling, and then rinse it off and get to work. I had only made up a 500ml solution of the snow foam in the MTM Foamlands flask, and I was really surprised at not only the quality of the foam coming out, but just how much I was able to cover on the car. I was going over and over and over it again, it still wasn't running out. So more to come from the MTM Foamlands in a future review. The dilution that I've used here is 50ml of the snow foam in 450ml of water. You can use warm water, cold water, whatever you prefer. Now, a quick plug for the channel: if you liked this video, then please do give it a like, and if you want to see more content from GM Details, then please do subscribe. Now as the snow foam is just rinsed off the panels here, we're just starting to see a little bit of the hydrophobic properties of the ceramic wax starting to come back through, which is good to see. So the snow foam here has done a fantastic job in cleaning off that greasy grime that was on the paintwork, but also helped to cleanse enough. Normally it would be like your shampoo stage that you would start to see some of this coming back, so I'm really pleased to see that just with a snow foam alone, and that has cleaned the car up enough for me to get by for another week or so before I can get the shampoo and buckets back out when I've got a little bit more time. Now if you're watching this in the summertime, you would really have to have some sort of attempt to dry the car off, and that really the only safe way to dry it off at this stage with only using a snow foam would really be some warm air, or just get in the car and drive it around for about 10 minutes, come back and it should be dry enough. But ultimately, if you do have the time, obviously then follow up with your normal wash process of getting your buckets out with your shampoo in it and give it a good contact wash after this. But just look closely here, you can just see how the water is just removing that traffic film with ease, just having the snow foam on there for that 8 to 10 minutes, just allowing it to dwell, and just comes off effortless. Almost touchless, as you would say. It's not 100% a touchless cleaner, but it does do a fantastic job on its own. So what would I do differently next time I use the MTM foam lance? Well, I would dial down the top dial just a couple of clicks back, just so that it's just not quite as dry foamy. By having a wetter foam, more like a sort of double cream, that will make the solution just last that little bit longer in the foam lance tank, but it'll be a wetter solution and that'll soak into the grime a little bit better. So the car's looking not too bad for just a rinse and a snow foam. I mean, some brands now seem to be pushing towards vivid colours to get you noticed. So here's a thought, why not just get noticed for actually cleaning a vehicle? Not leaving a driveway looking like Kermit the Frog's exploded. I'm not here to sell you this product. Garage Therapy don't sponsor anyone, so that wouldn't happen. I'm simply sharing what works for me with you. The results speak for themselves, I think. The best thing for you to do is, if you haven't tried it, give it a try and let me know below how you got on with it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.